Oh, lady's back. I'm gonna go try to interact with her. No, don't run away, bitch. Squeeze my fucking head with your 4 thighs. There's a way to do it. I saw the I saw the shit for it. You can like make your own shit.
Well, there's monkey boys in the trees.
Is there?
Yeah.
They watching us, bro?
Could build a tree house, but I don't know. I feel like I want walls first.
I think we need to sleep here, but my sleep is getting...
My food's getting fucked. Oh shit, I never ate that
Oh
food.
shit, they're on us! Yeah, point at it, you fucking moron. No, help me kill it.
You might need to eat. You might need to eat this dude, bro.
I don't know if we can. I tried to chop him up. I don't think you can.
I'm pretty sure you can.
I got a skin pouch? Gross.
He's got his nutsack, dude.
Oh, I'm hungry as shit. No, my food. I totally forgot about it.
I ate it.
What? You ate it?
Possibly.
God damn it, bud. I'm out of food.
Fuck, dude. Thought you were cooking it for me.
Well, I kind of was, but I also was like, shit, I'm about to run out of food.
Okay.
We need to go find a turtle to kill or something, bro.
Should we, I know you... Wait.
Alright, let's sleep again.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I can't see a fucking thing, dude. Oh,
shit! There's a bunch of them! Nelson! Fuck! There's a bunch of them, dog.
Whoa, what the fuck?
There's a ton of them. Oh, but the lady's here. She's fucking making them fuck off. Yo, what the fuck? Whoa! Holy
Buddy,
shit.
we need walls right away. This is not cool.
Oh, he's over here! Running to the left! To the left! To the left!
Oh shit.
Oh my god, bud. This is fun. Dude, they just pulled up on us. Dude, he's squaring me up, Brennan.
Where's he at?
Dude, he's squaring me the fuck up, dude.
Does he want to go, bro?
I think we might have to go with him. I think we might have
He
to
wants
have
to
a
go,
little
son. There's
Let's
more of them.
check it out.
Oh my god. He missed. Oh shit, he whipped me. Don't get behind him. Nice. One up in the tree.
There's a turtle. I'm gonna kill it real quick.
See the fucker up in the tree?
No. Oh, yeah, I do. Oh, what's he doing?
Yeah, I got his head.
Nice. Dude, I think if we put those on sticks, it makes him fuck off. Oh, he's here. He's here, buddy.
Oh shit, he's whipping me.
I just whooped him.
Oh shit. I'm being...
You gotta block, dude. Gotta heal real quick, buddy. Fuck, do you have any meds I could grab?
Yeah.
Put them in my inventory.
Wait. How do I...
Put them in just...
Can you look in
click,
that?
like, G on... No, you need to like click G or E on me. Hold
Turn around,
E
turn
on
around, turn. Oh, stop. Alright, I gave you 2.
Alright. Thank you. Alright, I gotta make a fire real quick. I need to eat.
What is that? Oh. Oh no, God, no! He just ate it! He just ate his arm, bro. What the fuck?
What?
I just
You
picked up an
ate a
arm and I
guy's
guess I clicked
arm?
too many times and he ate his arm. Dude, that was gross.
Oh god.
I think I might die. I was trying to
Make sure
cook
you
it.
quick save at the thing first.
Do I have to save too? But I want to wait till it's dark. Why is he always so tired?
Yeah, I guess maybe let's try to figure out.
Let's go peep the cave quick and then come back. Let's do it, buddy. Let's do it, buddy. No, we need our.
Spooky, bro. They just tried to bushwhack us.
We need our defenses up. Oh, there's a road? There's a path.
What is that? Wind? Squirrel? Oh, the lady's behind us.
Jesus.
Whoa, she scared the shit out of me, bro.
I don't trust her, bro.
You're gonna have to trust her, dog. Oh, we got a deer to the left, buddy?
I see that. Oh. Going for him?
What are,
Oh.
we got guys up here?
Why?
What? Oh, you're going for what?
The cave. See it? Across the road?
Yeah. If that lady, don't ever attack the lady, just in case.
Yeah, I'm not. Oh, shit.
You fucking kicked it over, you dumb cock. Guess I got it.
There's more boxes, bud.
MRE.
Yes.
Energy bar, sweet. Is there any more around?
Oh, there's some fish. We can kill the fish. Oh.
Got some meat on me if we need it.
Okay. Some loot boxes. Let's go.
The caves are gonna be dark. We don't have any light source.
No. Just outside the cave had goodies like that.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, there's definitely a couple guys here.
Looks like some shit on the wall. I don't know what that is.
Batteries?
We got an MRE over here.
Yeah, cool.
Some rope. Let's go.
There's a bottle of booze right there.
Really?
Yeah.
Grab it.
I did.
You didn't grab. Oh, we can all grab this.
We
same
get it
shit.
separately, yeah. Which is nice.
That's nice.
I mean, double the loot. What is that? Is that a turkey? It's an eagle. Come here. God, I missed it. Oh, there's some skulls
Oh,
over
deer.
there? I got a stun baton.
What the hell? Whoa.
How'd you pull it out, bud?
Oh, I just picked it up. I'm on a hotkey at the 3.
9-6. Okay, so we'll need batteries for that.
Oh wait, put the weapons away. Put the weapons away.
I don't know how.
G, I think.
Okay. Here we go.
That didn't drop it, right?
I'm gonna check.
Yeah, we're good. Don't chase her. Alright,
let's
buddy.
get some. What you doing?
We're about to get bushwhacked.
Alright, I'm eating. What the fuck? What is that?
Did you eat both of them?
What is that? No, I only ate one of them. No. They're in the forest, buddy.
Did I pick one up?
There was like a guy that was like black and white.
I saw that.
No, she's running. She was our protection. Fuck, we gotta fight. Are they running off? He's going after the chick. Protect her. Did you stun it?
No, I missed.
Black and white dudes here? Shit. He's going. He just went in our fucking house, Brennan.
Beat his ass, brother.
He's inside our fucking house. He's trying to. Brennan! This guy's smart, bro.
Oh shit.
This guy's fucking smart.
He's in the house?
No, he just ran out. He's to the left. He's kind of running away now.
I killed one.
Saw that. You ran inside the house, though, bro.
What are you swinging at?
I don't know. If you like let go of it, you can do like an attack if you just tab right click. I don't know what that does. The lady. She's pointing. Brennan! Brennan, behind you!
Oh shit.
Dead.
What the hell?
Dunzos. She pointed at him, and I was like, what the fuck is she pointing at? And then I turned to you, and he's just attacking you while you're in the water, bro. Did you get their hair?
Said Dunzo's fucking jumps up here.